Okay.
Yeah.
Questions.
Hello, good
Alia,
evening to
what
all.
was Alia here?
I recognize your voice.
Yeah, thank you. Lipika here. What was the gun that you were following?
Oh, what was the gun that I was following?
Lipika, behave yourself. Why dirty thoughts? It's a happy family film. The gun is only all this frills are flying.
It was wonderful. Your dance was really exuberant.
Thank you. It was only for you guys.
Exuberant performance. What preparation you had to do, Alia?
Asking me?
Yeah.
You know, I'll be very honest. The Gulabo was the first song जो मैं और शायद साथ में dance करने वाले थे and shooting and everything. So I was damn nervous, like because I'm dancing next to Shahid. He doesn't even even he puts 10% energy, it looked like he's putting 100% energy. So I was very nervous because I wanted to be like, okay, at least match up to him, like to 1%. I know I'm going to be less, 3%, 4%. But I have to be at the same level. At least try. At least look normal. So I worked damn hard. Eventually, Vikas and Bosco tell me, okay, Alia, stop rehearsing now. And Shahid just came, okay, Bosco, what's the vibe? Okay, okay, ठीक है, तो vibe करते, you know. And then he went and tuck, got it in like 8 minutes. I remember I told Bosco's assistant dancer also, Gul. I said, why? He's like, हाँ, she's like, Shah bhai to aise hi hai.
She's talking all, and Shah bhai and all. Nobody
She
calls
calls
me
him
Shah
Shah
bhai and all that.
Gul.
It's all rubbish. Did you guys see the video? Have you seen how she's killing it in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
All these new kids, I'm telling you, they are very shana.
you
They
only
give
said
all
I'm
this-
not new anymore that day.
Have you acknowledged and accepted this?
No.
During the making of Shandar, you did not acknowledge and accept this.
Yeah,
Shahid,
I
if
still.
She used to, you know, me and her, I thought we had become really close friends, you know, and we used to spend time together and we'll, you know, go to the coffee shop together and we'll, you know, do things together. And suddenly one day, every day we used to hang after shooting. One day I'm messaging Alia, where are you? What's up? I'm getting bored. What's up? I'm getting bored. No response, no response. I find out without telling me sneakily, she has gone to do rehearsals for Gulabo. So she used to go without telling me because they have this big kida that I want to be better than the other one. This kida is there in all of these guys.
No.
No, you have this issue.
No.
Yes,
Shahid,
you do.
Better even
Don't
if I try,
lie.
I can't be.
This is all rubbish.
Than you in
we
dancing.
we saw the video. Everybody has seen the video.
Why? No, this is. Yeah.
These are...
No, but to answer your question, that I worked very hard and I'm very happy that you acknowledge it. But let me just point out, Shahid also really helped me. That you can ask Bosco will second me on this. That there were moments where I was crying and saying, Bosco, why these steps, Bosco? He used to call me penguin feet. Okay, Alia and her happy feet. Because I just didn't know what to do. And Shahid would be like, okay, babe, just slow down. Why are you doing that? Look at the energy. Look at the mood. Do that, do that. So he really helped me. So Shahid, thank you.
some few words of wisdom from Bosco. Bosco, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
She's right. She did cry, and I think because the tears might just make the song really larger than life.
Tell them about...
Hello.
Tell them about the weather conditions.
The reason, yeah, if you see those jackets, that wasn't the style actually. So we had to like really cover ourselves. So उसमें हम लोग को warm रखना पड़ा.
They're not moving that much because they're wearing 5 thermals under those clothes.
Yeah, and
Excuse me, I was wearing no thermal.
Yeah, even I was wearing no thermals. Him and him were the only two people wearing thermals. Bosco has a habit of, so he disappears every 4-5 hours. And when you try and find out why, he goes for a change of clothes.
It's a look change.
Random change of clothes for no reason. He carries 4 pairs of clothes with him every day wherever he goes. So if halfway through this press conference you see him in new clothes, don't be surprised.
Okay.
Moving on to Gulabo.
Next question.
Shahid, I want to ask you that your on-screen chemistry between you and Alia is wonderful.
Thank you. But we don't know where you are.
Your last,
Jump.
There?
Your last.
Okay,
yeah.
hi. Yeah, now we can see you. Thank you. Sorry,
Like-
your question was?
Your on-screen chemistry between you and Alia is wonderful. I like to know what's the reason behind that.
I don't know. Actually, we had no interaction with each other before this film started, and we actually met a couple of times here and there. And I mean, obviously, I was in a part of her clique. I was a bit old for that. But eventually, I think I don't know, we just reached set and it just happened, you know. I just really liked her as a person and I
बस
felt
हो
her.
गया sir.
हाँ,
बस हो गया.
हो जाता है, ऐसे ही होता है. And we just really got along and I really liked the kind of person that she was. I felt she was very unassuming.
Was?
At that time. In context of when I met you for the first time, you're an even better person now. You're wonderful, Alia. Everything about you is so good. But yeah, we really got along. I honestly wondered whether we'd get along because we've, not really known each other at all. But I don't know, it was great. I just feel like I maybe know her from another life types. I get that feeling.
Actually,
So-
I thought they'd been lying to me that they didn't know each other, because when I saw them on the third or fourth day of shoot, they were standing in one corner and talking for about 2 hours. They had one earpiece of the walkie on their ears. They were listening to music and talking. I said, "ये झूठ बोला है कि ये जानते नहीं थे एक दूसरे को." But yeah, I think they got along really well on the shoot, even though Alia was sneakily preparing on the side, which I can also vouch for.
Shahid, you must take back your statement saying that these new kids, if you're married, doesn't mean that you've grown old.
Thank
Yeah,
you so
yeah,
much.
yeah,
Very
yeah.
kind.
Agreed.
It's very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Wherever you are, I agree.
Yeah, this
Yes,
side.
I don't know why.
Alia,
Deepika
you're-
again.
Alia-
Yeah, this side.
Alia,
Anji.
I
Hello.
want to ask you that you wore the bikini for the first time in this
No,
movie.
no, no, not for the first. And
Yeah.
in this movie?
Yeah.
In this movie, yes, for the first time, but in life, not for the first time.
But how comfortable you was in the shot?
I at that moment was not comfortable because it was very cold, but I was
Alia-
very happy.
Alia was not comfortable when this bikini shot was happening.
It was -2 degrees the way we shot the bikini.
The beach that they chose, which looks like any beach in India, which was -2 degrees when they shot there. And everybody was only freezing. I was actually wearing a ganji and I was wearing pants, but like I was bare feet and I was dying, so I can only imagine what happened. In fact, we have some footage on the making of this film with Alia
Yeah.
trying to give the bikini shot because she was told it's a mid shot, so she took her dungarees down only till here. So when they panned down, her entire dungarees were still there. So it was very, very cold when
It
she
was,
It's
but
going to
I
be,
feel
it's
when-
going to come out in the making.
Will it? So then you'll see also. But for me, once the camera comes on, it's like anything can happen. That was nothing. Me and Shahid, actually, there's a sequence in the film where we were swimming in like minus how many degrees water?
-5.
-5. And we were very cold.
And we spent 2 days in there, and so basically, Vikas had this very big smile on his face throughout that day, and I
ये ठंडी नहीं है।
was wondering कि इतनी खुशी क्यों दिखा रहा है. So we actually discovered that the water was -5, which is why he was trying to keep it so warm and happy because he knew what he's going to put us through.
Yeah, Vikas would come from the hill and say, "It's not that cold, na? You're fine, na? With muffler, jacket, socks, everything." And we're like, "Yeah, bro, we're fine. We're cool."
And I told Vikas, एक बार पानी में हाथ तो डाल. तुझे क्या पता? मुझे ठंडी नहीं लगती है. तू wrong आदमी से बात कर रहा है. But he didn't put his hand inside that water. Ever.
No, but Alia said, "What are we doing about this water?" So I told her, वो जो पुराने ज़माने वो गीज़र के वो नहीं आते थे, वो हीटर इलेक्ट्रिक डालने वाले पानी में, वो हम सब तरफ डाल रहे हैं, तो पानी हम गर्म करके रखेंगे तुम्हारे
हाँ,
लिए.
मैंने
And
believe
she
किया.
believed it also. She thought in that waterfall we're going to put those hot
क्या कर रहे हो यार? अभी
rods.
अभी बंद हुआ है. फिर से चालू मत करो.
So here's another one.